All right, so now we're gonna do rack of lamb on the Blackstone.
Deep basement.
Rack of lamb that is seasoned with mustard and salt and pepper and what was the other thing?
Rosemary.
Rosemary on the Blackstone, which is unusual.
My wife done it in the pan when I was like grilling like a long cook on the smoker. It's always amazing.
I'm looking forward to this, so cheers. Where's your drink?
Can't remember.
Go get it.
Here it is.
Cheers.
Cheers, sir. Chug it all. I can't do it anymore.
I'm not 20 years old anymore.
I am, but I can't do it.
The one thing I would say with the Sear wood griddle insert that I am missing is the sheer size of this cooktop. So I will say we have a whole nother package of beef. It's not gonna fit on there.
No.
So this would have to be done in 2 rounds.
Yes.
Whereas if you have the full-size Blackstone, you could do all of them at once.
That's true.
You could cook like 30 burgers on here, man.
Yes, but tonight we're gonna, so I only lit this half. This bag's been marinating for like an hour and a half, basically.
Yep.
Rub it a little bit with your hand.
Just in the middle there?
So normally I would take my money forever tongs. I can't remember where I put them. So we're just gonna go up on.
They're right here.
Oh, there they are.
There's a leaf, but
I'm
it's okay.
still gonna pour.
Yeah, you pour and then we can turn with the forever
So
tongs.
only this side's hot. See how nice and black and juicy it is?
Yes.
This one's not, because we didn't like
Are you
it.
sure you don't want butter?
Do you want to put butter?
I'm asking you, man. You're the grill master here on the
So this is like
thingamajig.
bacon grease, everything I've cooked for like a year.
Yeah,
I
that
think we're
sounds
good.
awesome. Just do it.
This is like every good diner you've ever been to.
Just don't get any plastic on there now.
So they're already sizzling, which is always a nice sound.
That is a good sound, yeah.
So I had a cousin ask me why I grill. I told him, you don't hear that sound? He's like, what sound? I was like, listen. He didn't enjoy the sizzle. I was like, this is why I grill. Put your ear closer. He's like, what? I'm like, listen. This drops like dopamines into our brain.
Correct,
I think.
correct.
Already smelling the rosemary, really. So one thing about the Blackstone, your fire from the knob is here. From the knob is here. So really I want all these on the knob, like straight up, like this. If you look underneath, that's where your fire is at.
So how long are these gonna take?
They ain't gonna take long because they're thin.
So like 5 minutes per
I
side?
mean, I've
or-
overcooked them, I've undercooked them, they're always amazing.
They're always gonna be good.
So the
yeah.
key is though you sear the sides.
Yeah, yeah.
They're gonna like drip in your mouth
When do I need to flip these?
soon, like right now.
I need a utensil.
Yeah, I'll bring it. Just use your hands.
Do not try this at home, because that'll happen. Oh my God, they smell amazing. Bob, these look amazing. They look done. Wait, what are these lamb what?
This is rack of lamb.
Rack of lamb. These things look amazing. I can't wait to try this. My wife made us divorce me tonight and demand that I make these in order to win her favor back.
And that's okay, that now you know how to
Because
make
she
them.
loves lamb, and these look amazing.
They're gonna be money, like lollipop, like little frickin' meat lollipops.
And I feel like I can do this maybe on the griddle on the
You can
sear wood.
So I've done it on my rec deck.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting, on your smoker.
I wanted to pull it out and my wife said no, not tonight. I was gonna put it right here beside us. She was like, it's too much.
Well, we know who wears the pants in the family, don't we?
Yes.
From one man who doesn't wear the pants in the family to another. Yeah, these look amazing. All right, time for taste test on these really fantastic looking
Rack of lamb.
rack of lamb. My goodness.
So hit one.
I'm gonna grab this one right here. Cheers.
Cheers, sir.
Oh man,
Like lollipops.
that is delicious.
Good coloring.
Man, that's delicious.
We can't beat that.
As you would say, this is the way.
This is the way.
Very easy and simple. Don't need any like fancy recipe. Salt, pepper, and what?
Mustard was the binder.
Mustard,
put
salt, pepper,
So rosemary makes a pop.
rosemary. Oh
But
my
I've done it
God.
without it, it's still good.
I'm not sure what I like better between this and the wings, to be honest.
These are more expensive.
I might like these better than the wings.
That would make sense.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Deep basement.